My name is Alexander Graham Schultz, and my partner's name is David Desher. We're both mechanical engineering majors at Johns Hopkins University. We were tasked with designing a simple heat exchanger in our heat transfer lab. The materials were combined to provided plastic containers, 3/8-inch aluminum tubing, cable glands, and silicone sealant. We also modeled the system in MATLAB.
In order to test our heat exchanger, we hooked it up to the HT30XC unit. Hot water was run through our heat exchanger at 5 different flow rates, and relevant values including outlet temperature and pressure drop were recorded for these 5 different flow rates. A couple of problems had to be solved when constructing the heat exchanger. The plastic tub is very brittle and prone to cracking when drilling the hole for the fittings. To solve this, we used a heat gun to heat a section of the plastic and then slowly drilled the heated patch.
To maximize the heat transfer rate, we needed to have as much tubing inside the container as possible. We also needed to evenly spread out the tubing inside the container to ensure none of the tubes touched.
After we had mostly finished bending the tubes, we realized that some of the tubes would end up touching because they were pressed against the bottom of the container. To fix this, we had to unbend a section of the tube so that there were loops above and below the inlets. This process made some kinks in the tubing and appeared messier.
If we were to do this project again, I would have made the loops go sideways in the container and measured where they would start each bend. This would make the heat exchanger look much nicer and would keep the tubes from kinking.